Here's an interesting cognitive abilities test question to see how well you can deal with abstract concepts. You're presented with three expressions. In each expressions, there are shapes and numbers. The first expression is triangle plus triangle equals 6. The second expression is circle plus circle plus circle equals 12. And the third expression is where you have triangle plus circle and you need to calculate the end result of this calculation. Once calculated, you need to select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 5. Choice B, 7. Choice C, 9. And last but not least, choice D, 11. Take a close look to see if you can complete the calculations. Are you ready? Let me share with you my version of the answer here, and obviously if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments. I mentioned abstract reasoning concepts because you need to associate each shape with the number. For example, in the first expression, we have one triangle plus second triangle equals 6. Both triangles are the same, which means that the one triangle's number can be calculated and associated with number 3. We can do similar math with the circles. 3 circles equal 12, which means that one circle would be equal to 4. So triangle equals 3, circle equals to 4, and triangle plus circle would be equal to 7. So the correct answer here is choice B, 7. Did you get to the same answer? If not, please make sure to post your answer and rationale in comments. By solving this question, we'll boost your IQ and intelligence. You're presented with 3 sets of stars. Each set is a different color. Underneath of each set, there are numbers. The first set has a number 24, second set has a number 64, and the third set has a missing number represented by the question mark, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 75. Choice B, 96. Choice C, 156. And last but not least, choice D, 192. Take a close look to see if you can answer the question. This question is actually very simple, and I'm pretty sure you're done by now. So I'm moving forward to share with you my version of the answer. And obviously, if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments. As you might have guessed, the number is calculated based on the number of tips of the stars and number of sides of the diamonds available in each object. Let's look at the example. The first set of blue stars has 6 tips. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it only has one diamond, which is represented by 4 sides. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. Can you do the calculations for the second set? I'm here to help you. Let's count the tips. We have 8 tips on the purple stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we have 8 sides of the diamonds because there are 2 diamonds there. 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. That's how the number was calculated. Let's do the calculations for the missing number. We have 12 tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which are represented by 16 sides. 12 multiplied by 16 equals 192, which is represented by choice D. So the correct answer here is choice D, 192. Did you get to the same answer? If not, please make sure to post your answer and solution in comments. Which was initially designed to test your spatial reasoning, but also could be used to test your cognitive abilities and analytical skills. You're presented with 4 shapes, and you need to find the square which fits all the shapes across the borderlines. You need to select one square out of 4 possible choices based on the borderlines presented. Choices are A, B, C, and D. Take a close look to see if you can identify the item. Seems challenging, don't you think so? Let me give you a hint. Try to see if you need to rotate the shapes or do any other manipulations with the shapes before trying to fit them. Are you ready now? Let's move forward and I'll share with you my version of the answer. And obviously, if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments. Not sure about you, but I was able to solve this challenge in 3 simple steps. In step 1, you need to assign the numbers. In step 2, you need to rotate the shapes to position them to fit. And in the last, step 3, you need to try all the options to find the square which fits all the shapes across the separator lines. Let's look at the example. Let's first assign each shape a number. Because we have 4 shapes, the numbers will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second step is the hardest. In this step, you need to rotate the shapes to position them to fit, and you need to find the closest square which fits all the shapes. Let's rotate each shape to get them into the correct position. Let's rotate shape 1, now shape 2, now shape 3, and now shape 4. You need to watch out because rotation could be in the different directions, as it happens in this question as well. And once you have all the shapes rotated correctly, we need to move to step 3, where we will try all the options to find the square which fits all the shapes. Square A is not going to fit them because there are 5 shapes based on the borderlines. Square C also is not going to fit them. Same with square D. So the only correct answer here is choice B. Did you get to the same conclusion? Or maybe you found a better way to solve it? Please make sure to post your answer and rationale in comments. I enjoy solving pattern questions because they're so easy to understand, but sometimes not so easy to solve. We're presented with the sequence of numbers, and we need to find the missing number, which is the next in the sequence. The numbers are 25, 20, 16, 13, 11, and then comes the missing number. You need to calculate the missing number out of 4 possible choices. Choices A, B, C, and D. Choice A is 8, choice B is 10, choice C is 7, and choice D is 9. Take a close look to see if you can do the calculations and come up with the solution for the missing number. Looks confusing, isn't it? But believe me, there's a hope at the end of the tunnel. And I am moving forward to share with you my version of the answer. And obviously, if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments. Here we have a concept of decrement. And the pattern is that the next number is calculated as previous number minus decrement. And decrement increases by 1 with each number in the sequence. Let's take a close look. Our first number in the sequence is 25, and our first initial decrement is minus 5. 25 minus 5 equals 20, and this is how we come to the second number. Then we decrease decrement by 1, and the decrement becomes minus 4. 20 minus 4 equals 16. 16 minus 3 equals 13. 13 minus 2 equals 11, and 11 minus 1 equals 10. So the correct answer here is choice B, 10. Was your answer different? Please make sure to post your answer and solution in comments then, so we can all learn. Thanks for watching. If the content was helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing. This is the way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and we'll make sure to deliver it for you in the future. For links and resources referenced in this video, please check the description. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to find what you're looking for and download the materials. We really thank you for your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.